NYSE gap open up. ConocoPhillips, they kind of split their company in two, doing different things there. You got the CMG gapping up. You got JP Morgan gapping up on the earnings. And you've got a little gap up list, not anything big. On the other hand, on the gap open down, well, you have a few stocks in here like Marriott with their earnings last night. Not a big collapse. The Moody's U.S. debt downgrade is in play. It is an options monthly expiration. Google will report its earnings after the close. All eyes will be on the sideline for that. The biggest gap that we have is in that NASDAQ technology area. So the trade management here is, once again, when the Dow can't break its resistance levels, stocks go up to their resistance levels. It's a matter of time when the weaknesses start to build in at those resistance levels before the short sells work. However, that was yesterday. You got Ben Bernanke on the board at 7 a.m., 10 a.m. Eastern. All eyes will be on that. So the trade management is how they hold the lower support level and then how they make reversals. Okay? So we'll be, Goldman Sachs is gapping up $1.21 in sympathy with JP Morgan. Okay? Because they're both in the same sector. So that's the gap open up and the gap open down. And we're not collapsing off of that Moody news, kind of like what I said last night in after hours. It would work its way off and we could discount it, because until we get past Friday, tomorrow, and out of the monthly expiration, they put things on hold. But the news is not good in my view as far as the Moody's go and potentially what Ben Bernanke can end up doing. And we had some economic data out today. Retail sales are about flat, and jobless claims, once again, they're right there in their ranges. But it wasn't enough to get any really big gaps. We're not gapping down, but we're not. Wasn't enough for S&P anyway. The NASDAQ comp, we already went over it, and you got Apple gapping up in anticipation. It's volatility price action gap. We'll be looking at that leader, Yum Brands, will go up like it did last night to 38. Well, not 38, $58 now. But there was a short in after hours. So when Yum Brands makes its highs at 2, all stocks, when you can't break resistance levels in indexes, stocks go up to their upper resistance levels and they roll over. Period. End of story. Trade management. When the indexes can't break above resistance, stocks can't break above resistance, then it's a matter of time of how the price action builds weakness before they finally sell off, just like they did yesterday and the day before.